Hi, Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for the morning of Tuesday, the 26th of March, 2024, 8:25 a.m. Central Time. Sorry I couldn't do updates last night. Family events. You know, it's that Easter weekend or Good Friday. Now remember, Good Friday, the futures markets are not open and the stock markets are not open. So you have an abbreviated trading week. Keep that in the back of your mind. Not acting that good today. We're up a little bit in the stock market, but the punch to it seems to be gone. Now, on Friday, even though the markets are closed, you're going to get a lot of economic data. One of the Fed's favorite numbers, the core PCE, is going to come out. It's been an easier number to give a guess at, and it's between 2.8 and 3% is what the market's looking for. On the energy markets, AAA came out yesterday, and they're looking for $4 gasoline this summer. So we're currently at about $3.54 national average. So they're looking for about a 10% rise to 18%, and they're guessing it's going to be $4. So we will see. Now, one thing, that's without any refinery fires. And, every summer as we're blending this gasoline, there's always an event somewhere, so be careful. You did hear about the event that took place in Baltimore. A ship hit the bridge right by the port, knocks out the port now. How long it'll be, I don't know. It will affect the supply chain. This is not a small port. It's an important port in America for the East Coast. And we don't know the amount of damage yet. There are people missing on it. It happened this morning, about 1:30 in the morning, as I understand it. And I know no more than that. Don't know what caused it, why it was caused. Take it from there. They're not sounding like it's a terrorist event. It sounds like the ship, something went amiss on it. In the grain markets, back and forth action as the market is now starting to get ready for Thursday's acreage report. Important. I did write about it in last night's full research report for my subscribers. That I do get out. And you could see in the bonds and notes, you're just basically stable right here, not doing much. While gold is up, most of the other metals are slightly lower. Dollar down, and the yen getting nothing. It's just sort of sitting here up 2 ticks. The market is still testing the Japanese yen, wanting to see where the Bank of Japan stops talking and does something. Now, this morning we had advanced durable goods. They're solid. You were up 1.4%. They were looking for 1%. Ex-transportation up 0.5%. The prior was down 0.3. And the advanced durable goods ex-defense was up 2.2%. The prior month was down 7.3%. So they're coming back. Retail sales, I call this solid, up 3.4% when you look at the 3 weeks, first weeks of March. And weekly retail, when you look at the week ending March 23rd to a year ago, they were up 3.9%. Case-Shiller, okay, year over year, home prices are up 6.6% according to them, and that's from the year ago month. And the 20 metro home prices down 0.1% month over month. Richmond Fed's going to update their monthly manufacturing index at 9 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I've got it in there twice. The Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index comes out at 9, and at the end of the day, we'll get the American petroleum numbers. Now, Russia has already agreed that they're going to cut back, if you will. Let me get to where we should be here. There we are. They're going to cut back their production now of oil and get fully in line by the end of June with 9 million barrels a day. They've also lost about 600,000 barrels due to Ukraine's attacks on different infrastructure projects. We'll see how long that lasts. Israel and the United States bickering. I don't recall the last time the United States let a resolution against Israel go through the way it did in the UN. However, there were certain things that the U.S. made certain that didn't hurt Israel on it. But the world is just condemning Israel. Either get on with this war and finish it. I think that's basically what the world is saying. Or stop during Ramadan. And that's basically what it is. Stop during Ramadan. I don't know if you'll get anybody to do anything one way or the other. One of the things that I do each morning is I teach. So if you're the type of person and you've got chart ideas and you want to look, my charts look just like this. They're jet black. I put on all my indicators, more than you see me do at the end of the day here, and I teach them each and every morning. I go through what a swing line is, the moving averages, which ones are working in which markets and why. We rotate a lot back and forth between weekly charts and daily charts. We cover all these different areas of the market. So I really cover everything in there that you can imagine. And I do it in such a way so that there's a scroll bar on the bottom on the website. And let's assume you wanted to go to gold. Just grab the scroll bar, big words. Oh, you're in the gold area. Let go, you're there. Oh, I'm in the energy area. Let go, you're there. I make it easy for you to get through, get the trade ideas that I'm putting forth, why I'm putting them forth, and you can follow up with them. I also track within there. If I say buy here, stop here, I track that until the trade is over. I don't do a running track of how am I doing for a whole year. I'm not trying to be a trading advisor. But if we've got a trade that I put on there, I'll finish it up with you and I let it go at that. You'll see winners, you'll see losers. What you'll see is money management at work. You'll see trade ideas at work. And what do you have to lose? To get this, just go to iraepstein.com, go to our word research, take a look, sign up right there, and away you go. I think once you try it, you're going to like it. I'm Ira. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day today. Take care.